Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So before we get started, I just want to let everybody know that I am on vacation next week and I will not be back until October 7th. So after today, the next videos will be out on October 7th. So, anyways, I will still be trading though, and I will definitely still be giving signals to all my members. So, definitely check out my website if you are interested in that. So, anyways, I do still think this is very likely either an expanding flat or a running flat wave C. Like I've been saying, a running flat definitely would make a lower high, and expanding flat would make a higher high. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do think this wave 5 right here is the wave 1. I think this is a big expanding flat wave 2. And then if that's true, that means that this is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a wave 3 of wave 3. So if it really is a wave 3, then it pretty much needs to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on this weekly time frame, or else it will invalidate the wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, price has really been struggling big time to get beyond this point right here. So we do have a nice ABC correction. We did take out the previous highs. The trend is definitely still up on this time frame. We definitely can't argue that. But we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row, maybe 6 or 7, maybe even 8 days in a row of completely sideways price action. So it probably is accumulating and distributing positions. If the question is it going to break to the upside? I kind of think it is. Or is it going to break to the downside? So, anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. So, for me, the trend definitely still is up until we break this structure right here. But as you'll see on the 1 hour time frame, let's go right down to the 1 hour time frame and zoom out a little bit. So as you see on the 1 hour time frame, it does kind of look like a possible like expanding flat or running flat because it looks like 1, 2, 3 down. It looks like 1, 2, 3 up. This could end up stretching into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for a big wave C, like an expanding flat. And then if it just keeps on going down and breaking that structure on the 4 hour time frame, then that will probably tell us that we definitely want to turn into sellers. But until something like that happens, I would be very cautious. I actually have my Fibonacci retracement out here. I'm watching this very closely because if it breaks down below this level, I think it's going to confirm that it's at least going down for a wave C. If it doesn't, if it makes a Fibonacci bounce and then does something like that, I definitely will take it as a long again. I mean, the trend is definitely technically still up on all the higher time frames. So we have to be a little bit cautious at this point about sorting it in a big way because there's really no proof that it is going down in a big way. But I do see the possibility on the higher time frames of at least a more significant move to the downside. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.